Where there is a dream, there is a challenge. It is a challenge to transform an endless sea of sand into an ocean of unlimited growth in the 21st century. It is a miracle in the desert. The new future of Qatar begins. Qatar is a powerful energy nation. However, due to rapid economic development and a constant influx of population, there is a lack of electrical facilities and water. Ras Laffan is the industrial center of Qatar. One of the Middle East's largest power and desalination plants will be constructed here. The Ras Laffan Sea Power and Water Project was initially developed by the Qatar Electricity and Water Company. A special purpose company named Ras Girtas Power Company was established to construct an independent water and power plant by April 2011. The plant will have a capacity of 2,730 megawatts of power and a daily water production capacity of 286,400 tons. Hyundai Engineering and Construction has played a leading role in the basic and specific designs, supply of materials, construction, and trial operation. Japanese and French technology will be added to complete a state-of-the-art power and desalination plant. The Ras Laffan Sea IWPP will use natural gas to produce electricity and desalinate seawater to provide potable water. The plant is designed with 4 blocks each, with 2 of the 8 gas turbine generators and 8 heat recovery system generators and 1 of the 4 steam turbines. Each block also has 3 or 2 of the 10 multiple effect desalination units, respectively. The stability of power and water production was maximized to satisfy the power and water demands for each season. Each HRSG has supplementary firing facilities. The plant is designed so 2 HRSGs alone can supply the steam required for the 10 MED units. Despite the different amount of extraction steam, the steam turbine generators of each block were designed to equally maintain maximum production output. The water processing facilities and plant cooling facilities are joint facilities to make the plant more economic. The desalination facilities use multiple effect desalination, thermal vapor compression units for higher efficiency. Electric consumption and steam consumption are minimized. Steam transformers are used to prevent water pollution. Processes such as limestone filtering and sanitation guarantee a clean supply of potable water. The Ras Laffan Sea IWPP will be built in an optimum location near the ocean 80 kilometers from Doha, the capital of Qatar. It will consist of a gas turbine generator building area, heat recovery system generator area, steam turbine building area, desalination plant area, cooling tower area, GIS substation area, fuel gas receiving station area, portable water reservoir area, etc. The plant will have 8 gas turbine generators and 8 heat recovery system generators, 4 steam turbine generators, and 10 multiple effect desalination units. The 8 gas turbine generators will be installed first. Towards the deadline of the program requirement, The facilities necessary for operating the gas turbine generators will be installed accordingly. The heat recovery system generators produce steam using the waste heat of discharge gas from the gas turbine generators. They were designed to meet the amount of steam required. 2 will be operated first to supply the water supply schedule. The other 6 and the auxiliary facilities will be installed in turn for operation. A desalination plant will also be built with the heat recovery system generators. Each of the multiple effect desalination thermal vapor compression units will be manufactured as an assembled package unit and transported to the plant. On site, they will be assembled to the supplementary facilities to reduce the construction period. The steam turbine generators that will produce electricity with the steam from the heat recovery system generators will be installed. 1 will be installed in each block along with the supplementary facilities so that the combined cycle can be operated. The entire construction period is intended to last 34.5 months. This is only possible because Hyundai Engineering and Construction is an EPC company experienced in all stages, from design to purchasing materials, construction, and trial operation. The largest power and desalination plant in the history of Qatar. Natural gas is combusted in the gas turbine generators to produce electricity. The discharged gas from the gas turbine is sent to the heat recovery system generator where steam is produced. This steam is sent to the steam turbine generator where secondary electricity is produced. The electricity from the gas turbine and steam turbine is supplied to Qatar and nearby countries through power lines. The steam from the heat recovery system generators is not only used for secondary electrical production, but also for desalination. The high-pressure steam from the steam turbine generators transform to low-pressure steam and goes to the multiple effect desalination units to exchange heat with seawater. The MED unit sprays salt water and evaporates it, then produces condensed water. The condensed water goes through a cooling process and a remineralization process to become potable water. It is stored in potable water reservoir and then supplied to Qatar nationwide by 5 pumps. The Ras Girtas IWPP has the capacity to produce 2,730 megawatts, the equivalent capacity of 3 standard nuclear power plants. It also has a daily capacity to produce 286,400 tons of potable water, enough for half the current population of Qatar. The plant will play a leading role in key industries in Qatar in the future. A basis for great industrial growth in Qatar, an enhanced quality of life for the people of Qatar. The new heart of Qatar, the Ras Girtas IWPP. A new legend in construction. Hyundai Engineering and Construction makes nothing impossible. A new future opens up for Qatar.